Sigma 3.0 graduation ceremony and recognition of partners. Thank you for being here to support our children. Thank you for your role in making this program successful. And thank you for believing the power of literacy to transform lives. May this ceremony be a joyful celebration and a powerful reminder of what we can accomplish together when we put children first. Mabuhay ang sakayan sa kaalaman, mabuhay ang mga bata ng Kampurna Elementary School, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you and may Allah bless us all.
Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi when it comes to our children, no? Walang obligasyon ang ating mga kabataan, ang mga bata no, ng ating syudad at mga bata ng bansa. Wala silang obligasyon kundi mangarap. Kaya para sa akin po napakahalaga na siguraduhin natin na makapagbasa sila ng maayos. Because reading is so much more than just a subject. Reading is so much more than just a pastime. Hanggat nangangarap ang ating kabataan, meron po tayong kinabukasan.
This initiative is a powerful testament to the local government units' unwavering commitment to uplifting the lives of our learners. The Honorable Local Chief Executive, thank you for your commitment to ensuring that every child and every adult in our locality has meaningful access to literacy opportunities.
We are deeply grateful to the Kampurna Elementary School, teachers, fellow volunteers, and especially to students who welcome us with joy and enthusiasm. This experience has strengthened my commitment to continue supporting educational programs and youth-centered initiatives. Padayon sa pagserbisyo para sa kabataan.
And we're always happy to announce na after, katulad ho ng ibang mga nasimulan natin, we started with 100 struggling readers. Lahat ho ngayon ay functional readers na ho. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. We will continue with what we have started. Lagi hong prioridad ng ating LGU ang edukasyon ng ating mga anak, ng ating mga kabataan.
We humbly confer the completion of 100 pupils graduating or completing under the program Sakayan Kaalaman. And again, congratulations to each one of you.